You've got a great idea and you're ready to teach. But suddenly the questions hit. How long should this course be? How many modules do I need? Am I supposed to create a university-level syllabus here? Breathe. You don't need a PhD to structure a mini course. You just need a simple, clear plan that delivers value without overwhelming your audience, or you. In this module, I'm going to help you structure your mini course the right way, so it's focused, fast to build, and easy for your students to complete. You'll also learn how to choose between building your course the traditional way or using AI to speed things up. Let's dive in. A mini course isn't a watered-down version of a full course. It's a smart starting point. It's short, it's focused, and it's designed to help your students get one specific win quickly. While a full course covers the A to Z of your topic, a mini course just covers A to C, and that's perfect for testing if your idea is valuable and marketable before going all in. Now that you know what a mini course is, let's talk about how to structure it so it's simple to build and easy to follow. Here's your golden formula: 3 to 7 modules, 3 to 5 lessons per module. Each lesson should focus on one single idea or action step. That means your course could have as few as 9 lessons. And that's more than enough to make an impact. Why this format works: it's easy for your students to digest and easy for you to complete without burning out. Now let's zoom in even closer. You might be wondering, how long should each lesson be? Aim for 5 to 12 minutes per lesson. If you can explain something in 3-7 minutes, even better. Your students are busy. They're probably watching on their phones. Short videos make it easier for them to follow along and actually complete the course. So think, clear and concise, not long and exhausting. So your course is short and focused. Great. But how do you actually start creating it? Do you go traditional or tech-powered? You have 2 ways to create your mini course. Option 1, traditional path. You plan, write, and record your content manually. You use tools like Google Docs, Canva, your phone, and maybe Zoom. Best for those who enjoy full control and want to keep costs low. Option 2, AI-enhanced path. You use tools like ChatGPT, Descript, Canva Magic Write, or Notion AI to brainstorm, write, and even narrate your content. Ideal for creators who want to move faster, are short on time, or aren't comfortable on camera. You can stick with one method, or mix and match based on your strengths. The point is, there's no one right way, only the way that works best for you. Now, before we move on, let's talk about some tools that'll make your life way easier as you build this course. To help you move faster, I've included a few powerful tools under this video. Course Structure Cheat Sheet, a one-pager to map out your whole course. Video length and format guide, so you're not guessing what works. Choose-Your-Path Worksheet, to decide whether to go traditional, AI, or a hybrid approach. And don't forget, you're not doing this alone. If you ever feel stuck, overwhelmed, or just need some feedback, pop into the support group. Ask your question, share your idea, we've got you. So let's recap. A mini course should be focused, short, and solve one clear problem. Keep it to 3 or 7 modules with 3-5 short lessons per module. Choose your creation path, traditional, AI-powered, or both, and use the resources provided to save time and stay on track. You now have a clear structure that sets the stage for everything else. In the next module, we'll figure out exactly what to teach, so you're not stuck staring at a blank page. Let's go.